What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is going to be something very different. The reason is
Boss, the number music இருக்குல்ல, start the whistles. Chennai Super Kings ka order.
So yes guys, I hope you liked it. Today's vlog is all about Chennai Super Kings versus Mumbai, which is the first IPL match. It's going to take place in India, and the time right now is around 4:30, which is Indian time, is around 6:30 the match starts. I mean the ceremony starts, the open ceremony starts. So since I'm not in India, so we live in Dubai, so just wanted to keep the fan fest flowing. So I'm excited for today's match, and I want to do a vlog for this. And I hope Chennai, not India. I hope Chennai wins. So I truly downhearted fan for Chennai Super Kings. They are back after 2 years. I'm super excited. So this is going to be an awesome vlog, an awesome time. At the moment, my family, my mother-in-law, my father-in-law, my wife and my kids are sleeping. They're just getting ready. They will wake up in a while's time to watch the match. So I'm super excited. So I hope you like the vlog for today. Just be with us and enjoy the vlog. Vote for Chennai, and I hope you guys pray Chennai should win. So enjoy the vlog for today, and I'll see you in the middle of the vlog.
The bright lights of Bollywood is a fitting stage to blast off Vivo Ipl 2018. With a high-octane clash between two highly decorated franchises. Defending champions Mumbai Indians with 3 titles over the last 5 seasons will lean heavily on captain Rohit Sharma, and the Sultan boasts a familiar star-studded lineup. At the time, champions Chennai Super Kings will seek to flourish on their comeback. With no shortage of recognisable superstars accustomed to wearing the famous yellow. It's time to strap in. 7 weeks of thrilling action begins now.
7 weeks. The first floor.
Stroke a little umpish. Feet a little anchored to the ground. That's nerves. The experience. And for someone like Rohit Sharma.
But you know one thing, John, the majority for them is they are playing in Mumbai.
Amazing how nerves can affect you.
The fan club is more.
Especially when you're
But for Dhoni, they will support.
The tournament, there's been so much hype, so much build-up.
Who is support then?
Lots of commitments from around the cricket,
Who
not
is
just to cricket as well.
Tell me who. Tell me who.
Treatment leading up to what
You want me to support you? You want me to play against you?
So these first few balls, it takes
Against you who?
time just to settle
Of course,
down.
if I'm against
Get
you,
into
then
your
you play.
Good delivery, and the ball is flipped as well. So let's have a look at this one.
But the ball is going out. So there is a chance that it's right.
Hey. Oh. Bat, that's a bat, I think.
Yeah, looks no bat.
Oh, there's a bat. Yeah?
Ball tracking coming, boys. Pitching in line. Impact in line.
Out.
Wickets.
Out, John. Out.
Go back to the umpires.
Out.
Stay with your original call. You can see.
Yay! Papa, Mumbai scored 165. Hey, let me Mumbai scored 165 for 4 in 20 overs. What do you think?
What do you think? I have already given my verdict.
Okay, Chennai will win.
Chennai will win and they will make 166 for 7.
Wickets are gone. Chennai. Maybe next match.
They are just practicing. Next match they will win.
You sure?
I hope so.
So bad. Just
Clap, 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 oh, clap, clap, clap.
Please stop screaming. Please.
Janu.
No, if you're not enjoying this, then take
9 balls, 13 runs. 13 runs. Chennai, Super Kings. Bravo, hats off, hats off.
Oh, 30 balls, 16 runs.
Oh, awesome, bravo.
If you scream again, really?
Come on, we win. Come on, we win. Chennai, we win. Yeah, we win. Yeah. The first IPL, we win. Yeah.
What did I say?
Yes, Papa, I love you. Woo! We win. Oh. Yay! Chennai wins! Yay! Yeah, this is